Time now is 12:43, and thanks for sticking with us this afternoon. If you receive the letter many dread, the IRS has requested to audit your tax return. It could be for many different reasons. Maybe your income on your tax return didn't match the amount reported to the IRS, or your expenses seem to be a little bit questionable. But no matter what the reason the IRS decides to come knocking, one thing is for certain: you must be prepared. So joining us today to make sure you are ready is CPA Kimberly Washington. Now, Kim, I know you have the opportunity to work as an agent for the IRS. Yes. What is the reason that someone will be audited?
Right, it's a couple of different reasons. The first reason, of course, is called a diff score. And so this is when the IRS actually scores your tax return and determines its audit potential. The second reason is what's called a related examination. This is the case when the IRS is actually examining another tax return. They find out information concerning your tax return. So that is something to keep in mind. And last, certainly not least, if the IRS receives information that you did not report 1099 or certain expenses on your tax return, they may, of course, get in contact with you.
And Kim, so if someone is audited, what steps should they take?
Don't ignore the letter. That's the first step, right? Because it's not going to go away. But you definitely want to get an understanding of what the IRS is looking for. For instance, if it's asking concerning your income, you want to get an idea, okay, what business income are they requesting? If it has something to do with certain deductions, just get a good understanding by looking at the letter so you can determine what's going to be your next step.
And what if you don't have any records to justify the expenses?
Of course, you should, but if that happens, it's not so bad. You don't have anything to fear. One thing that you can do is pick up the phone, contact different vendors, look at your bank statements, your credit card statements. The IRS may, of course, take third-party information. So you do want to start gathering some items from the year that they're requesting if you don't have any records.
And so, Kim, once they read that letter, don't ignore it. Once they start taking those steps, what do they do next?
Next thing you want to do, if you can afford it, of course, you may want to seek a CPA, a tax professional, to help you. Also, another thing that you do want to keep in mind, if you do receive a notice that you do owe money, don't give up. Keep speaking with the IRS management team and determine what steps you can take, even if it is in case of appeals. So that's some steps that you can take.
And Kim, if anyone out there has any questions, where can they find you as always?
Definitely can follow me at anything Kim Sense.
All right, Kim, thank you so very much. We appreciate it. Absolutely.